What's up? GOA here. So are gonna be the first duck hunting video we've ever done on GOA. We got the Grassy brothers, Daniel and Vince, heading up to Reelfoot Lake in Tennessee. We're leaving Georgia now. Well, we're still in Georgia, but we're leaving the house. We got a Grassy brothers adventure, kind of like the Jonas brothers. Vince is like Nick Jonas, and I'm like Gabe Jonas.
Why they gotta be the Jonas brothers? Aren't they like?
The Jonas brothers are awesome. All right, so we've been on the road now about I don't know, 10 minutes, and Vince says that he needs to stop and get something to eat.
I said that way before we ever got on the road.
So first pit stop, 10 minutes down the road. It's gonna be a long trip, guys. Hang in there.
No, it's gonna be quick.
Some people just aren't cut out for life on the road. We're in Tennessee. Morning. We're here. Morning time. Union City, Tennessee, heading to the duck hole.
Well, duck hole's a nice timber hole. We got to make a big trek across the open water in the lake, and we come to a big thick patch of trees, and we switch boats to a shallow water boat, and we got another about 10-minute trek through straight timber all the way to a big opening, and they'll be in there instead of open water because it's been cloudy the past few days, raining and stormy. Today's supposed to be the first clear day in the past few days, so they've been shooting them still, even with it cloudy and windy. So now that it's going to be clear, they should really be out. So hopefully we smoke them this morning.
We'll be fine. We're all trying to go hunting, and he's over here on the phone. Got his bang.
Hi, Betsy, bud. You big dumb idiot.
We going to Pound Town today. I might even shoot me a crow.
You gonna shoot a crow?
Or an owl. Hit him down. Ooh, 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 ooh.
That was pretty good.
All you now is you don't.
Might get a little wet.
I'm up front too.
We get a little wet. We're in the garage.
Oh, I like this one now. It's on the side, thank God.
That's pretty cool.
I know, right?
I didn't really realize. And I got a TV over there. Yeah, TV.
This is MTV. Welcome to my crib.
So this is not the duck blind I was expecting, but this is like an ice shanty for duck blind.
We should have.
Seen a few ducks this morning. We shot at some wood ducks. We got one. Hoping the clouds go away.
Need that clear sky to come on out.
Yeah, back behind it seems like they've been shooting a good bit. This is my first time. He came last year. He said the first day was a little slow, but then the next 2 days they blew him up.
Come through that might have something to do with it.
I mean, I duck hunt and wood duck back in Georgia. I've been to Arkansas one time. It was the same thing. We went there and it was rainy. Come back here in the back of the blind and check out the action for a minute. We got Dr. Fauci on the news. That's good. That's always good. What we got going on over here? Bring that bristles. Got it going on.
Shoot, they got a generator, they got all these power boxes, and they got a TV. All they need now is some.
Sounds good.
Sorry, we ain't got no Capri Sun.
Got a bald eagle sitting there watching us, not shooting anything.
He's the reason we ain't shooting none. All the ducks come down and think they're seeing us.
They don't like eagles.
They're seeing that guy.
Breakfast time.
It's irritating.
Bust them up top, bust them up top. Yeehaw! Shoot!
Alright, we third duck. Just got 2 drake mallards. Got a wood duck this morning. It's clearing up a little bit. Hopefully it picks up. Alright.
Got him.
Peppered. Already feathered. There's the kill for the day. Not too bad. Some people say we live on the edge here at Grassy Outdoor Adventures. Well, we're eating Mexican tonight. That's what I call living on the edge.
Tomorrow.
Salsa. Now,
Salsa in the blind later.
we'll see how this goes.
We gotta sit in there for 6 hours.
My good friend Gary would advise against it. And that's a big burrito.
Tomorrow is not gonna be a good day. Yes, sir.
Morning number 2. Decided to put on some war paint this morning. Yesterday was a little bit slack. We had several groups of birds turn around on us, so thinking maybe they saw our faces. I don't know.
Daniel had reflective glasses on like a big dummy.
Well, that was after.
Yeah, but I'm still gonna let everybody know that you put reflective glasses on.
Okay, whatever. I didn't put those on until we killed the birds, but regardless, we needed we need a little game changer today. Try to get a few more birds.
We needed some juju, is what we needed. We needed some good juju, so we decided that this is my first time putting paint on. Maybe it'll help. Decoy worker out there setting us up this morning.
This decoy worker has a name.
Yeah.
I have feelings too.
Have a,
Decoy worker.
Take it load back. I got that first one.
I know Patrick got that first one.
I know I finished the second one off.
That was good, y'all.
Good job, boys.
Beautiful. Now, if we could just have that all day, huh?
Yeah, this is the first time. That is a pretty good. Look at the head on that
I
dog.
know, he's got a blue beak.
Oh, that's awesome. A really sweet looking
Mess
head.
him up,
Is that a male?
Male.
This is a male, yeah.
That's a bull.
It's a buck.
Didn't mess him up too terrible.
I love it with
You got the green.
That's pretty right there.
I guarantee you if I had your little whistle, man.
Morning, everybody. Day 3. Reelfoot Lake, Tennessee. Day 1, we killed 5. Day 2, we killed 3. We're gonna change blinds today. And especially the second half of the day has been really slow. So, depending on how that's going, we may leave early today and get headed home. But let's hope that that's not a conversation and we're blasting ducks all day. That would be cool.
It would finish the trip off right, that's for sure. The blind we're going to, they've been shooting 12 to 15 the past few days. We kind of figured out why the ducks were messed up right now. They were shooting 20 and 30 ducks a day before we got up here. But they had that storm up here, the tornado that tore this place up, and it's got the ducks real messed up. So
Blame it on the tornado.
we're gonna blame it on the tornado.
Does it have anything to do with me being here?
No, nothing to do with you, man. First time for everything.
Trip of a lifetime. We'll see. Alright, third morning we got different blind.
Didn't tell y'all nothing foolish.
No TV in this blind. I'm gonna need some money back. I need some money back.
Since you're heading the other boats, y'all go ahead and get everything unloaded and ready.
Y'all like walks.
Well, third day. We got 5 or 6 ducks and it's breakfast time.
It's definitely seeing more today than we have the past 2 days. It's looking a little bit better. Hopefully they keep flying all day consistently like they have been, and we keep getting chances at them. You know, keep us busy so we don't get too bored.
They kind of like a stone.
Hopefully.
Hopefully.
Yeah, they're.
Hopefully.
Logan went and picked him up in the kayak.
New spot.
Some of the boats we come out there. I went out there, and I guess Logan thought he was gonna get the bands. But we was gonna get the bands off of it.
Them geese are low.
That's what kind of makes me. They was right there. I said, "Oh, don't even call him."
This one right here close to the blind. I guess y'all shot him, but he was just hovering, and I know I folded him up. I think he was hit already, but he wasn't coming down. He was still going up. We just got two. What'd y'all say? Gray ducks.
Two gadwall.
Gadwall.
Good wall.
Had a good little 3-hour, 2.5 hour lull.
First shot, when we
dusted some feathers off of her. Me and you shot at the same time, Pat, and then I shot again.
Last day we finishing up. We did get 7 ducks today, which is the most we've gotten. We got a good variety there. Green wing teal. What's that one right there, gadwall?
Yeah,
Mallard, 2 woodies, and what was that, a ringneck? Ringneck. Not bad, boys. All right, now we gotta make that long drive.
Well, no, Corky's on the way back to y'all. Yeah, he's on the way to y'all.
Yeah.
All right, bye.
Wood duck, ringneck, 2 gadwalls, male and female, mallard, green wing teal.